Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So this video is really exciting. I am a part of a huge collab. The biggest collab ever. The biggest collab that there ever was. I'm just really excited to be a part of this. I'm so happy I got invited to join. This collab was started from Valerie from Give Me Lip and More and Kitty from Kitty J Havoc. Everyone's channels from this collab will be linked down below though. It's a lot, so you'll have a whole day's worth of content to watch after you watch my video. Basically, we wanted to do a collab in celebration of Paulina. She killed it with the Blush Tribe collab with her own palette, the Paulina palette. It did so well, they brought it back a second time. More people were able to order it, of course. And we just wanted to do a giant palette bingo amongst so many of us in celebration of Paulina because we're just so proud of her and we're so excited. And she's just doing amazing things. I love Paulina with my whole heart. I think she's a wonderful human being. If you don't know Paulina, you are living under a rock. Her channel will of course be linked down below. Hers will probably be the first one I have linked down below because that is the whole point of this video. So yeah, I'm just really excited to be a part of this. Us smaller creators gotta stick together and I'm here in support of Paulina. Hopefully I get all of this right. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. Basically, this is a palette bingo where I'm going to randomly generate 4 shades, and then the 5th shade for everybody is going to be Paulina. So I don't know, I'll probably just set it 1 to 8 instead of 1 to 9 and just pretend this one doesn't exist because we're using that one regardless. And I'm going to create a look with it. I don't know what we're going to do because I haven't generated the shades yet. I'm really excited. I love me a palette bingo. You guys know that. I do palette bingos all the time. So I'm excited. Let's just see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab Paulina since we know that's the shade that we're all using. Oh, it's such a cute pink. All right, I have this 1 to 8 now. I'm going to generate 4 shades. Let's start with the first 2 so I don't forget. 6 and 1. So we got Angel and Friends. I love Friends. And I actually really like Angel as a blush. It's really, really cute. Ooh, yes. And now 2 more. We got 3 and 5. We got Sully and Thingaling. I love these. No purples today, I guess. I guess unless you count Thingaling as a purple. It's kind of a pinky purple. Well, obviously we're doing a pinky green look. That's what we're all gonna do. But I'm gonna create some magic with these shades. I don't know what it's gonna be yet. We'll just have to see. I'm going to zoom you guys in, prime my eyes with my Sigma eyeshadow base and Ignite as usual. And we will create a look. Thank you guys again for inviting me to join your collab. I'm very honored and excited. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna start with Friends, and that's gonna be what goes in my crease. I'm just gonna blend this like crazy until I have a cute, bright, light green crease. This is a ColourPop E2 brush, and I'm just going to swirl this all around. What else have you guys tried from Blush Tribe? The only thing I own is this, and I got like a titanium dust a long time ago, and I liked it. I just forget to use it all the time. But I haven't tried anything else yet. I'm interested in stuff, but I never know. I never know what to try. And I'm also just not really in the hunt for new palettes right now. I was super interested in the Laya 2, I think is what it is, that green and yellow one, but then I was like, I really do not need any more green palettes. That is just not a necessity anymore. I am green paletted out. I'm here for not so much monochromatic palettes right now. I want more fun color stories. Like the Paulina, for instance, it's such a cool curated story. I'm here for more of that kind of vibe right now. I love this ColourPop brush specifically, by the way. It's so soft and fluffy. I feel like it's great for just fluffing all my crease action. Ooh, so cute. So now with just kind of any eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna use my SL Miss Glam P15 from BoxyCharm. I wanna take Sully on like the top diagonal half of my lid and then Thingaling towards the bottom, just to give almost a duochrome effect across the lid with these 2 shadows. I really like mixing shimmers together on the lid like that. I think it's really pretty. So I'm taking some of my NYX Glitter Primer, just a little dot of it, and I'm going to pat it around. I'm gonna dip into Sully first, which is the shimmery green. Oh, just look. How beautiful. And this is just going kind of like from the inner corner up to like the top portion of my lid. And then I'm gonna flip that exact same brush over and dip into Thingaling. Oh, it's so cute. And that's gonna go down here. I'm just gonna dip back and forth between, or flip back and forth, I should say, between the two halves of the brush until I like the way they look on the lid. So cute. Oh, I guess this is the first video that you're seeing, like a tutorial you're seeing with my organic background. What do you think? I've already filmed another video, but it's pre-filmed. But I decided to switch it up. And I feel like the general consensus among people is that you like a more organic backdrop, but I guess I'll see what you think. I don't know if I'll switch it back though. I feel very motivated in this setting as of right now. And then I can switch out my little decorations and make it look cute. Ooh, look how pretty that is. I love that little pop of pink down there. I think it's so freaking pretty. Ooh, yes. For my lower lashes, I'm gonna start with Angel, which is the lightest of the pink. I'm not gonna lift the palette up every time, sorry guys. And this is my Morphe M573. I don't particularly care about this brush, but it works for what I'm doing. I'm just gonna use this as kind of my transition-y shade down here. I want the pinks super smoked out. And I'm not gonna be afraid to carry this lighter pink down pretty far. I'm going in just light amounts at a time. Ooh, look how cute that is. I love a very blown out lower lash line, and I feel like out of nowhere I'm like learning, not learning, but like re-falling in love with that look. Ooh, it's just so pretty. I love it. And I've been wearing glasses this week because my contacts are just out this month and I don't feel like opening a new pack. So I like doing an extra blown out look like this with my glasses. So I feel like it stands out a little bit more. So cute. And now just with any pencil brush, this is a Spectrum A12, I'm gonna dip into Paulina, the star of the show. And that's just gonna go right up against my lashes. And then I'll just kind of go back and forth between packing this on and blending it out until I like the effect of it, basically. What day is today? Today's Thursday. I'm just gonna film this. I need to film my favorites video, which will already be up by the time this is up. And then I go to work all day long. And I'm gonna start cleaning and organizing some new stuff in the salon because Nicole moves out of it tonight. And I want things to be ready for my people tomorrow. Oh, I'm loving the look of this. I think it's so pretty. I'm feeling like a fairy or something. I guess a bat fairy. All right, for my inner corner, I'm gonna take Thing-a-Ling on this Luxie 121. It's just like a little blending brush. I'm just gonna swirl that right in the inner corner. I feel like this look is kind of odd, but I really, really like it. I think that's really pretty. For my waterline, I'll probably use this LA Girl, what are you? Lip liner in the shade, what are you called? Pop. That shouldn't have been that hard to find. Yeah, just to enhance the pinks that are beneath it. I think this pink will look really cute. I love it. I'm gonna do the same thing now to the other eye, throw on my lashes, something on my lips, and we'll finish this up. I feel like I look so cute. I love this pink blown out lower lash line. I love all the stuff happening on my lid and crease. I think it's really cute. The palette bingo gods were on my side. I feel like a weird fairy. I love it. What do you guys think? If you guys have the Paulina palette at home, you should do a palette bingo using the Paulina shade as well, like the rest of us, and tag me so I can see what you got. I would love to see. I think that'd be really fun. Also, my lashes are these same Halo lashes from Sugar Pill that I've been using, and on my lips I went with my Jazzy Gloss from Dose of Colors. I was going to use Flicker from Sugar Pill, but I don't know where it is, which is not good because I'm obsessed with that gloss. But yeah, this is my final look. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed it. Congratulations, Paulina, on having such a successful collab and having it come back, I guess, be for sale twice, but come back once. You know what I mean? Congratulations, Paulina. We are all so proud of you. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Like I said, everyone who participated in the collab will be listed down below. So have a binge watching session. It's gonna be a lot of fun. If you are not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe. I post most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.